Here are the parts required to install the cylinder: the outside lock housing, the lever, the cylinder key, plastic stopper, and the cylinder cap. Now note the position of the hub assembly and the retaining clip. Now insert the key in the cylinder. Insert the cylinder onto the hub assembly, slightly turning the key until the cylinder attaches to the cross inside the hub assembly. Now turn the key clockwise until it stops. Now push in the retaining clip. Now remove the key in the cylinder. Remove the key. Now insert the cylinder into the lever. Insert the plastic stopper. Now insert the key and rotate clockwise 90 degrees. While holding the stopper in place, attach the lever to the hub. Rotate the key counterclockwise and remove the key. To test the installation, try to push in the retaining clip. If the retaining clip does not push in and the handle does not release, it is installed properly.